In a triangle ABC, A is 29, B is 36, and small b is 15.8 centimeter. Find A. This is one of the parts of the SINE rule in trigonometry. And in labeling the triangle, it is started from A, B, C. So in the ABC we label like this: A, B, C. So we are given the angle of A to be 29 degrees. The angle of B is 36 degrees. So the question is to find small a. And under the SINE rule, the formula states that the small a over sine big A is equal to small b over sine big B, which is equal to small c over sine C. So, but here, what we need, we are given the small b. Small b means the sines. So which our small b is 15.8 centimeter. So now, what we want to consider it is A and B. So, which is, you only consider these two, which is A over sine A. What is small a? We don't know. And small a, it is the side that faces the angle A. Now, so what is the sine A, which is sine 29 degrees, is equal to small b, which is 15.8 to divide sine B. And sine B is 36 degrees. So, from this place, let's try to cross multiply to have A to multiply sine 36 degrees is equal to 15.8 times sine 29 degrees. So let's try to have our calculator to find the value of sine 36. Sine 36 gives us from calculator 0.5878, which is equal to 15.8 times sine 29 from calculator give us 0.4848. Now, let's try to multiply the value together to have 5878 is equal to, so when you multiply 15.8 times 0.4848, we have 7.65984. So let's try to divide both sides by 0.5878. Let's divide this one 0.5878. So this will cancel this. We have our value of A. When we divide by calculator to have 13.03 centimeters. So that is the value of A in applying SINE rule. Try to subscribe to this channel and follow me for more.